Hello,
Hello,
sir. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Can you see me?
I can see you. Yes, I can. And good. Just adjusting my screen. So,
Okay.
tell me, how do I pronounce your name?
My name is Subham.
Your name is Subha,
Subham.
Subha,
Subham.
Subana,
Yeah.
or Shubana, Shubana, Shu, Shubana. My name is Daniel.
Okay,
Lovely to
Daniel.
meet you.
Yeah, same here. I
Okay,
have text my name. Just you can see.
okay. Ah, Shubana, Shubanha, Shubanham, Shubanham. Okay.
Yeah.
So, tell me, Shubanham, um, why are you here on Cambly?
You know, to be very honest, if I talk about why am I here, it's a different purposes. I'm just consisting of Cambly. You know, Cambly is a biggest platform for learning English, as you know.
Hmm.
So for the improving my communication skills and want to explore the different opportunities which are spread all over the world. So for being that purpose, it is necessary that you should have be a fluency in English and your conversation capacity will be good. For that purpose, I am on Cambly.
Okay, so you want to improve your English. So tell me a bit about you. What do you do?
Currently, I am a student. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's of engineering from a state engineering college, and currently I am in my last year. And after 2 or 3 months, I will.
Okay. So what are your plans?
So, plans about what? Seeking jobs or career
See,
establishment. In
yeah,
what belt you are trying to ask?
yeah. Well, your plans for the future concerning, your. I mean, you graduate soon. Do you have any plans after graduation? What you intend to? Do you want to do
Yeah, the
postgraduate
plan is.
study?
Yeah. Plan is not decided as such because I can take my masters as well at the same time. I can seek for job as well. So not decided up till yet, but it will be decided soon.
Okay, good. So, do you have plans to one day go to England or go to Canada or USA or stay in India?
So as for now, I haven't think as such. That means I will go abroad or England or any country which you mentioned. But the further plan is to stay in India for a few years, and after that, if I gets opportunity, then I can certainly think. So not for sure, but it may be considered according to the situation.
Excellent. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Look, Subnan, there's a couple of tips I could give you
Yeah.
to help you along to have English in your head all the time because I think that's very important for someone who wants to improve on English. Some people they learn the English language and maybe they say from Monday to Sunday they will have some English on a Monday and that's it for the week. Okay, or you may
No,
have
no.
English on
Suggestion is always important, so you can suggest as
yeah.
well.
No, no. What I'm saying is that this is a general picture of some people who want to learn English. Two, are you surrounded? How often, right? Do you speak English? People around you speak English. Your work environment. Say within a in a I don't know a week. How much English do you think you would be speaking?
No, if you say the surrounding people, then I have some people who are trying to explore this communication with me as well, but not the closer one. That means not often on a frequent manner I get speaking from them.
Right.
So, but certainly different people are trying to explore certain skills in communication, but not for any specific.
Okay. One tip I'd give you, right, is this. Let me just write this down for you.
That is BBC Radio.
BBC Radio 4. There's a link to it here.
Okay. So what is
Well,
this?
it's a radio station.
Okay.
The thing about the radio station, Shubman, is that for simply listen to it, it's great. It's fine just to listen to the radio. However, what I want you to not focus on, but try to think about, is that when you listen, certainly to radio or film, um, your brain is taking in a lot of information.
Yeah, you're right. Because
All right.
listening is quite important part. Yeah.
All right. So, but with the radio, you don't have the distraction of color, film, people running around, and that sort of thing. Radio, BBC Radio, all they do, they talk. Every hour there's news. Outside that, there'll be discussions on economics, art. There would be plays, discussions of it varies. The content varies.
And it will be beneficial for knowledge purpose as well. At the same time, I will be improving my language as well.
Absolutely. And also, you're getting used to see when you listen to all these ideas, your brain is also taking in something really very subtle, and that is the patterns of the English language. See, all language has rhythm. Da, 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 da,
Yeah,
da,
you're
da,
right.
da, right? It has its patterns. It has, and it's all rhythmic. And the more you listen to the radio, the more your mind, your brain will be familiar or accustomed to these patterns.
Yeah.
See, the thing about English, although it is about learning a language, so therefore words are important as they are, but it goes a little more than that. In that it's what words are about how you say the word.
Yeah. How to pronounce? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, pronunciation is important. Intonation is important. The tone is important. How quickly you say it, how slowly you say it, how quickly you speak, how
Yeah,
slowly
you're
you
right.
speak. All these factors are part of listening. When you listen, your mind gets accustomed to, I understand this. Sometimes he says things very softly because the person he is speaking to is very sad. So therefore your voice comes down a bit. You don't learn that.
Yeah.
Probably you may do that in your own sort of tones, in your own language. In Hindi, you have these, you go up, you go down based on the relationship. If you're talking to your girlfriend, you don't talk to your girlfriend the same way you're talking to your teacher,
Yeah,
unless your
you're
teacher is
right.
your girlfriend.
Tone is different. Yeah, you're right. You have a deep understanding about all these things.
Okay.
Have you experienced such things or not?
But but it's language. That's the thing about language, because often people just think language, oh, it's English. Just that I just want to know the vocabulary. I want to understand the meaning of it, and that's it. And I'm thinking, no, 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 no.
So, have you experienced such change ever? That means you are talking to a person, then have a certain different frequency, and another person you are having different frequency or tone of talk.
Indeed, I suppose
Can you?
it's by teaching, I become aware that the English language is a little more than just interpreting what this word means and grammar and vocabulary. It's a little more than that. And
Yeah, you're
sometimes,
right.
you know, um, my interaction with people, sometimes you don't, your tone is it differs. Depends on where you are, what you are, what the context is. So context is very important when you learning to speak English. So you could say, okay, I could speak English, but then you go into a context and you go blah blah blah, and they'll say, look, be calm, don't say it like that. But I could speak English. That's not the point. See,
Yeah,
so
you're right.
that's the lesson someone has missed. But by
So,
listening
which
to the
which
radio,
which country are you belonging to?
England. I was born in England.
England. So,
Yeah.
can you tell me? I have often talked about some foreign tutors. Say blah blah blah. What does this blah 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 means? I don't understand in frequent manner. What is this blah blah blah?
Blah blah just means talk. So
Talk.
blah blah is just like it just talk. Okay.
Just talk
So
about
for
what? That means this is used in
anything,
funny
yes, it can
sense,
be.
or
It can be. Okay. So for example, um, probably somebody who will, um, whatever you do, he says the same thing all the time. Where have you been? You've been so late. Come on, I have to do this and do that. Blah blah blah. You know what he's going to say? Oh, come on, not
so
again,
it sounds
man.
funny. I have often come across such blah 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 all the times. Then
Yeah,
suddenly I get confused. In what sense we are going to use this? So
yeah,
that's why I asked.
yeah. And often
So
blah
you
blah
follow
blah is
cricket or
just.
not?
Do I play cricket? Yes, I play cricket.
No, no. I'm saying you follow cricket or not.
I used to follow cricket.
So
I used.
have you ever heard about Indian Premier League?
I have. Yes, I have. I have.
Okay, so
But I
are
haven't.
you just
I haven't heard of
yeah, go on.
the teams.
Okay, so
I know
you
there's
are
teams,
just
but mm, I I don't know them well enough to say I like
so
this team
are
or
you
that.
having any eye on the IPL is going on these days? So are you having any eye on it or not?
No, no, I haven't. I tend to have my
Okay,
eye more on football, Champions League, soccer. Chelsea's my team, so
in
um,
comparison to the cricket, isn't it?
it's there. It's literally football is a religion in England.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, it's a
So,
religion.
what can you say about the cricket team of England? They are just playing in a fantastic way, and you have ever heard about SS series that is played between England and Australia that is highlighting encounter. So, what is your ideas about this?
To be quite honest, Shubham, I don't care. I don't care. I don't. I don't. You tell me
Okay,
how's
you're
England doing? I'm
saying
going, what? What? What they're doing? I don't know. I don't care what they do. To be quite honest.
okay. So
Okay.
are you applying your you are a citizen of England, it right? That means you have don't any impact on who is winning or who is losing. So this is good citizenship or not? What do you say? You say I don't care.
I don't. I used to play cricket when I was young. I played for my school when I was young, but
Okay.
I've lost my passion for playing
Why?
because
What came in between of your passion and your life?
I played football. I used to play American football. Played soccer, played tennis, played badminton.
So if we talk about on different note, then what do you practice by occupation?
What do I practice?
Yeah, that means
I
what occupation you are having currently?
uh, English teacher.
Yeah, that seems to me any different thing to talk about.
Well, we could talk about a variety of things. You know,
Uh,
I mean, for
Go
example,
on.
um,
Blah blah
how,
blah.
blah blah blah. Soccer
Yeah.
in India, is that
So
popular in
it's
India?
no soccer is not popular in India, and because this is not popular, that's why I don't have any too much knowledge about soccer. But
Ah,
if you talk about me cricket, then I have you said football is like a creed in England. So as for yeah, if I talk about India, then cricket is a passion here. Cricket is a creed. So just religion we follow in cricket matches. We have lots of love, lots of fun, as you feel in the football matches in England there. So
yeah.
as I in India, yeah.
But you go to cricket matches, though, do you? Do you go
No,
there,
not
watch
yet.
the game?
For the physical, yeah, no. I just see the matches on mobile phones and TV, laptops, all these electronic gadgets. But I haven't been any to a stadium up till yet. But in upcoming life, I will certainly go.
Do you play cricket?
Yeah, I certainly play, and lots of enthusiasm and loves to and devotion to my cricket, and I really love cricket.
So you're a batsman or a bowler?
I'm batsman as well as bowler as well as good fielder and wicket keeping. I just also does. So not any belt that is remain left with me. I does everything.
I used to be a bowler.
Okay, then
Bowler. Bowler, a good
then
fielder, did some wicket keeping as well.
That means you left out the
Should have.
batting part. That means